Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Oppo model and color OS version so you know where menus live. This matters because paths vary. Once done, make sure no game or Apple ID session is active. Sign out if needed. Now open Settings and tap Apps or App Management to view installed apps. You're initiating the disable process directly. This prevents background launches and notifications. Keep your phone unlocked and ready to grant permissions or confirm changes when prompted. Now you search for Game Center or its equivalent. Use the settings search bar and type precise terms. If Game Center is absent, look for Game Services, pre-installed vendor apps, or Google Play Services entries that handle game sign-ins. Tap the app entry to access permissions, notifications, and storage. You'll need these screens to fully disable functionality. While here, review auto start and battery permissions. Those control background behavior. Make choices deliberately to avoid breaking unrelated game features. Finally, disable the app and clear data to stop sign-ins and background activity. If disable isn't shown, uninstall updates and force stop the app. Then revoke permissions, accounts, contacts, background data, and block notifications so games can't auto-connect. After changes, reboot the device to ensure settings apply. If something goes wrong, reset app preferences or clear the cache partition. That restores default app states without erasing personal data. If problems continue, note the exact symptom before seeking further help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.